Welcome back to Favorite Things. Let's do another double unboxing. Victorinox. We got 2 packages right here, and I will reveal these now. I want to open this one first. So what we have here, forgot that it comes in a box. We've got a mechanic. So this is a mechanic. Let's walk you through this. Okay, so the mechanic has the standard opening layer, and it's got the, somebody mixed up the scissor or the tweezers and the toothpick. So you got a 90-degree stop, which dates it after 86, but even further. I'll put a little thing on the screen. And you've got the... Okay, let's look at the tank stamp. So the tank stamp, the V is slightly larger than the rest of the letters. On the flip side, the plus is not touching the crossbow. So that is 92 to 2005. And then we've got the small blade. By the way, these do feel to be like the original. Oh yeah, this is sharp. These are the original blades. Got a little ambulance or fire truck going on. I'm outside. And then you've got the newest version of the pliers. So it's got the wire crimper, wire cutter right there, and the 3mm width. And so that is the latest or the current version of the pliers, including the spring guide groove right here. So yeah, and you've got the awl with the eye hole, the eyelet, sewing eye, and then you also have the Phillips, the round Phillips. So that is the so this is a very, I like these recently discontinued models because they've got kind of the latest tool evolution. So I like that. Do I need the box? Not really, but it'll be nice for resale at some point when I decide to start condensing my collection. Anyway, let's look at the next one here. So, you know, say what you will about how good Victorinox scissors are, but Fiskars, I think they're made in the USA. They're terrific. They're the standard scissors. They're just so good. But yes, so the next one is I'll just tell you right now, it's a custom. So this is not an original, and this is a custom special mechanic. So basically the compact version of the mechanic. And originally this was sold in very limited numbers, basically just by Radio Shack under the Techline branding. But this custom has a set of black scales to note. The only thing that's different is there's no Techline script here. A Techline version of the same knife. So now I've got 2 of these, one being a real deal, one being a custom. So let's take a look. So we got the Techline logo, and it is definitely not just, it's inlay, because I can feel it with my fingers. You can hear it. And, so what we have here is the standard blade, and you'll notice here we have the 3-line. So this is basically using a current version of the main blade. It's very sharp. And so instead of the small blade, we have the combo tool. And so we did away with 1 layer, which is nice. And then here we've got the pliers. But here you'll notice the pliers don't have the wire crimper. right there. So let's compare the two different types of pliers. They are both the 3mm thickness version, which is the second. So this is the second generation pliers. You'll notice that it's missing two things that the newest version here has. It's missing the wire crimper. So no wire crimper. They do both have the wire cutter right in here. So you put a wire in there and snip it right there. And I have used that. It's very effective. And the second generation one here also is missing the spring guide groove. Will feel great and high quality due to that great spring action. Nice snap on both of those. All right, so getting back to the special mechanic, or sometimes known as the Mechanic Junior, we've got the no plus scales on this one, but it does have the Phillips, and they did insert a pin, so we got a pin there. And then that's it. That's the only back layer tool. No awl like the standard mechanic. So the special mechanic is kind of a compact version. Scales have some use and some vintage look to them, but they're in good shape. And they seem to be original Victorinox. You know, one option here would be to add some plus scales so that I have a pen. All right, so there we go. Original mechanic, 3-layer knife, and the special mechanic, a 2-layer knife, thanks to the substitution of the combo tool for the small blade. All right, thanks for joining me. Have a good one.